The plant-based protein market is growing at an astonishing rate. With a continued growth at 14%, it's estimated to reach $40 billion by 2025. Plant-based proteins are typically made from soybeans, split peas, garbanzo beans, or lentils. Many of these finished products are then packaged, requiring post-pasteurization and cooling in the package. There's also a demand for flour alternatives using pulses for the ingredients that may require deflavoring of pulses. If your soybeans, split peas, or lentils require hydration or are cooked in water for making alternative protein products such as tempeh or tofu, Lyco offers Clean-Flow and rotary drum technology. Our machines have continuous operation, always first in, first out with precise temperature and time controls. Lyco's patented Hydro-Flow technology ensures 100% uniform hydrating and cooking. And Lyco's Clean-Flow is the most sanitary designed cooker hydrator in the world. If your product needs to be cooled, the same technology can be used with chilled water. Pressure flow, which speeds up hydration time, is also available for pressure cooking. For deflavoring split peas, soybeans, garbanzo beans, or lentils, Lyco offers continuous steam blanching or pressure steam cooking. Lyco vapor flow technology uses no water and is a proven design for atmospheric steaming. Lyco also offers steam cooking under pressure. If you need post-packaged cooking or pasteurizing and cooling of protein alternatives in a pouch, such as sausages, sliced deli proteins, or any vacuum-sealed protein alternatives, Lyco Chill Flow can heat and cool products with first-in, first-out technology. Lyco is a recognized leader in the manufacturing of heating and cooling equipment, with machinery in 50 of the top 100 food companies in North America. Lyco Manufacturing has sold over 800 systems worldwide. Lyco also offers a 2,500 square foot lab testing facility where you can demonstrate and prove out all of your hydrating, cooking, or cooling product needs. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.